So if you're getting that clicking noise from the previous video, it's pretty easy to repair it yourself. All you're gonna need is like a 7 mil, and just some trim clips. And so you're gonna have 2 trim pieces. You're gonna have this one right here, and then if you just slide along the bottom a little bit, there'll be another one right there. And then there's a 7 mil bolt here. I don't know if you need to take that off, but I removed it anyways when you do it. And so you just pop them off. So take that off. Also, if you have these trim piece clips, trim remover, it works wonderful to take these off. All you're gonna do is get underneath it. And pop them off. Pretty easy. You can probably pull these off too. They're not in there very stiff. But you take that off. Take that 7 mil bolt. Like I said, I don't know if you need to take that off, but I'll come back here in a second. So once you have all that removed, you just pop this off. Just should kind of slide out a little bit. You may have to be a little finicky up here near the top. But once you get that out and pull up the back piece, should just slide right out. It can be a little difficult when it gets in this dash because it actually kind of rolls up into the dash a little bit, but it's kind of difficult to do with one hand too. Just pull that out and I'll show you in a second. So once you get it out, like I said, this kind of slides off from the behind the dash, so just be careful with it. Pull it off, and if you look underneath here, you have this one. There's one right above it. Right there. And then you also have one right there. And so what I did, I just turned it on, made sure it made the noise and touched it. I found out mine is that guy at the very top, which is located right above this actuator if you go straight up. And so it's just torques, pop it off. Make sure you pull off the plastic clip right here. Take off these guys. Make sure you do that before you pull it off, and it should be good.